What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. If you're a Jedi traveling the galaxy, you're gonna need some sustenance. Hey, I just picked this up. It's Jedi food capsules from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in the Disney theme parks, and this is one of those things. I actually think it was in one of the 1, 2, or 3 episodes. I think Qui-Gon Jinn was carrying around food capsules, and I wanted to show these to you in some detail because they sell, like everything else, replicas. And look at this, we get lots of them. So let's take a peek. Okay, so Jedi food capsules look kind of like pen caps, you know, and I want to show you, this thing is a little bit of a mess here. First of all, I got Jedi food spilling all over. Whoops. I guess packaging could have been slightly better, but I will tell you what, these little capsules here are just packed with all the nutrients you need to survive. Probably not. I actually think these things, you can see how the thing is busted a little bit, are basically like, I guess they're like little candies. I'd call them, tart. They're almost like, you know, I'll call them Pez. The real reason that I picked these up is I thought they'd be kind of a easy Pez dispenser, but that's what they are. They're like a little bit of chewy and have a little bit of a tart, sugary taste. And obviously this package right here is busted open. Sad, but true. So I'm gonna be a little careful with that. And then we will get to the food capsules themselves. So here are the capsules, and you can see here, I think they're all effectively the same, but they're like Jedi Pez dispensers. So what we have is a little tray, and you can take these things because theoretically the different colors are supposed to be different nutrients. And so you put them like that, and you can see here it's a little plastic trough. This one is painted in a gold color. Got a pen cap looking thing here, and this thing I think just slides in here just like that, I assume. And boom. All right, push it in, clip this. It's kind of like a rank cylinder. It's all plastic. You can see how loose this clip is, so it'll fit over everything. It's not particularly tight. And then when you need your food, oh, I'm so hungry. Man, this thing is, man. Maybe you can kind of twist it or something. I'm gonna try to take it next level here. This is all pretty thin plastic, so scratched it. Dude, I'm not sure if I'm going crazy, I'm really weak, or can I get a grip? There's some sort of track. You can see 2 dots here. When they're lined up, this thing is supposed to open up, you know, pretty easily. You gotta line up those dots, and now it'll kind of fall open and almost fall apart. So looks like there's a little tab right here that must go down there, and then when you twist this one way or the other, it locks into place, and so it won't open up and just kind of fall apart. Then you got to move these 2 dots back together, and now it will, it's supposed to kind of shake loose. There we go. All right, not the easiest thing in the world, and I would say when the Star Wars galaxy discovers Pez dispensers, their mind is going to be blown at how easy those things work. So if you have kids without a lot of fine motor control, I think these are going to be kind of frustrating, but right now they're not going to fall open, and there. You might be able to wear them in a little bit. So if you want to pick this up, you're going to have to kind of search around. I bought these from a patron of the parks and wanted to show them to you. That's it. Jedi food capsules. I'll put a link to other Star Wars goodies in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.